Checking values in lists with if-else statements. It's important to know how to check for an element, if is it in the list or not, because if you build a game or a website, you need to check for the username if it exists in your server or not. Note, we will use the keyword in within the if-else statements to check for the name if it's in the list or not. Let's see how. First, go to brackets. So pretend that you got a list called my list. Inside this list, you had elements of John, Nancy, Mia. So now, to check if John username is in the list, we can use if-else statements, such as if John with quotation marks in my list colon, then print yes if it's in the list, else colon, then print no, it's not in the list. After that, try that on terminal. Very good, works well. It shows that John is in the list. We also can add an element in the condition to check if it's in the list, such as and Nancy within quotation marks in my list. Cool, it says Nancy is in the list also. Okay, that's everything for now. Thank you very much.